In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price alerts and notifications in Exness, an essential tool for staying updated on market movements. Whether you're trading regularly or simply keeping an eye on market trends, setting up price alerts can be a game changer in managing your investments efficiently. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Exness personal area. This is the gateway to accessing everything you need for effective trading. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open the Exness terminal, specifically the web version. This platform is user-friendly and packed with features that are designed to enhance your trading experience. Now that you have the terminal open, let's focus on the chart for the instrument you're interested in. Hover your cursor near the price axis. As you do this, a plus icon will appear. Clicking on this symbol allows you to select the Set Alert option, or its equivalent, directly from the chart. This immediate way of setting alerts is perfect for those who want a quick and seamless process to keep track of specific price movements. Alternatively, there's another way to set up alerts if you'd like a bit more control over the specifics. On the left side menu of the terminal, you'll see a clock icon. This represents the Alerts section, where you can manage all your alerts in one place. Click on this icon and then select Plus New Alert. This option provides a comprehensive input panel where you can tailor your alert to your exact needs. Here, you'll want to input the instrument for which you'd like to set an alert. Additionally, you can specify the trigger level, which is the price point you're most interested in monitoring. Another feature you can adjust in this section is whether the alert should be recurring. A recurring alert means that it will notify you each time the set conditions are met, not just once. This is particularly useful for instruments that have significant price fluctuations and where you want ongoing notifications. Both methods give you the flexibility to manage your alerts based on how actively you're following each instrument and how much detailed information you need. The convenience of setting these alerts means you don't have to constantly monitor the charts. Instead, you can rely on the notifications to keep you informed, allowing you to make timely decisions. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up price alerts in Exness. With these alerts, you can stay on top of changing market conditions without being tied to your screen. Remember, keeping informed is key to strategic trading. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.